Geometry Dash. It's a game that everybody knows, but only a few people can call themselves a professional player. But do you want to be one of them? In this course that lasts over 100 lessons, we will go from the first steps in the game, from beating the first easy level, to beating your first extreme demon. It would be the first lesson, and we will go through the basic mechanics of the game, what happens when you click, and 5 basic game modes that would be enough for this lesson. Every video of this course would have 3 stages. First, it's introduction. Second, it's the main material that we would learn. And at the end, I would give you a small task that you would do before the next lesson. So, let's get started. When you first open Geometry Dash, you see the first level. You click on it, and usually you die immediately. Because of that, RobTop made a text tab to jump over the spikes. You should click in order to jump over obstacles. Sounds easy, right? Well, it actually is. The game seems very easy and you think you would beat it first try until you would run into the first fake jump. It makes everybody very angry. But before beating your first level, you have to learn some basic things. Today, we would learn 5 basic game modes that you would need for now. It's a cube, ship, ball, UFO, and wave. We would start with a cube that you've probably seen before. If you touch a spike, you will lose. So you have to click in order to jump above the spike and not to crash into it. If you crash into a block, you would also lose. But block is different, you can jump on top of it. Here is some basic gameplay I made. You should jump above the spikes, then you can hold to jump multiple times in a row. Then you can release to stop jumping. After what, you just have to click above the spike and that's it. Pretty simple, right? It's simple until you meet him. After beating the level, you would see the screen that everybody loves. It says level complete. Sorry, mine is a little bit reversed. We will talk about that later. Second game mode is ship. You hold to go up and release to go down. You can also click multiple times to fly straight, and you also can slide on blocks. Just remember, slide, not crush. Third game mode is a ball. You click to change gravity. It's a very simple mechanic, but it sometimes can also be pretty challenging. There is not much to talk about, to be honest. Fourth game mode is UFO or Flappy Bird, as you may call it. You just have to click in the air in order to jump. It's like cube that can jump whenever it wants. Last but not least is wave. You have to hold to go up and release to go down. There's no gravity or hard mechanics like in the ship, but it can be very challenging. For example, without a specific feature that we would talk about later, it cannot slide on blocks. Don't try that. I hope you enjoyed this video. In next lesson, we would talk about other basic mechanics like orbs and paths that you can see on the video. After our lessons, you would beat your first extreme demon, of course with the help. We would learn a lot of new and important things, and I will post every 2 or 3 days. There is no practice for this time, but it would be on the next lesson. Goodbye.